Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the design that we will be working on in this video. For this design we will need three things. First, we will need a US flag and a hockey bat. The third thing that we will need is the brushes. These are the brushes that we will need. A little bit of dust brushes. You search for them in brusheezy.com. All you have to do is you type dust brushes in the search box and you will get all of these results. In here we have the sun dust. This is the brush that I downloaded, the sand dust brush. And now I'm gonna download this one right here. So all you have to do is to go to brusheezy.com, type dust brush in the search box and download this brush, the sand dust and the powder. And I already explained how to add brushes to the software. So now we start by opening a new page. As usual, the same settings. We only change the resolution to 300. Here we are. We set the background color. We make it in black, like this. Then we add the flag. We drag the flag to the design page. Then I go to edit, transform, and rotate 90 degrees. Now I adjust the image like this, and we reverse the flag like this. Make it like this, and here we are. First, we're going to remove the white straps and the blue color from the flag. So we use this tool to delete the blue background. We just click on the blue color and we click delete from the keyboard and the blue color is gone. Same thing for the white straps until we delete all of the white straps. We leave only the white stars and the red color. Now I'm going to change the color of this design. I go to color overlay and I make it in gray like this. That's it. Just some more switches to go. We use this tool and I'm going to remove this space. I select it, then I click delete from the keyboard and here we are. Now I select the stars, right click and layer via cut. That's it. Now it's a separate layer. As you see, the stars are separate from the straps. Now I adjust the size like this. That's good. And here we are. Now I'm going to the second layer. I select this strap or line, then I remove it by clicking delete from the keyboard. Now we're going to add the brushes. So I go to the brush tool. As I said, I'm going to download these brushes. The paintbrush. Here are they. This is the brushes that we will need. As you see, these brushes are premium, so I'm going to look for the free ones. I'm going to look for this one, for example. So I click on it. So I'm going to download this brush and I'm going to add it to the Photoshop. Now I go here to select the brush. This is the brush that I was talking about. I already downloaded to save time. Here are they. Now we go here to reverse the brush. We click here and we make it vertical like this. Here we are. Now we're gonna choose the eraser tool. I'm gonna choose this brush as an eraser tool and I adjust its size a little bit. I zoom in a little bit and I erase like this. That's it. Now we need to flip the brush so that we can remove the edges from the upside down like this. I go like this. Same thing right here. I need to remove this line. That's it. Now we're going to add some little things. So I adjust the dust brush. There it is. I adjust its size. I'm going to use this one, 46 one. Then I'm going to delete some spaces. So I click on this layer and I delete this spaces right here. That's it. Now I'm going to add another brush. This brush is large, so I need to adjust its size. And I put it like this. That's it. Take a look at the difference now. You can see that the design has changed. That's it. Now we're good. I'm gonna adjust the size like this, and I'm gonna add the brush to this spaces like here. And take a look at the design now. It looks very different. I'm gonna add some of the brush into the stars like this. Now I'm gonna add the hockey bat. I'm gonna flip the brush like this, and here we are. I added brushes this way so that we can get this look of the design. If you added the brush any other way, you will get a different result. Now we get the hockey bat. We add it to the Photoshop software. We drag it to the design page. As you see, the bat is without a background to save time. And now I'm going to adjust the bat. I flip it like this. And I put it vertically. I reverse it. I adjust its size a little bit. And I put it right here. Right click, we go to blending options, color overlay, and we make it in red like this. As you see, this stick needs to reach the end of the design, so we're going to copy the spot right here. We select it, layer via copy. I select this one and I'm gonna draw it like this. I reverse it to look like this, and here we are. I adjust it a little bit to look like it's one stick, and here we are. That's it. Just a little bit, you can see when you zoom in, and here we are. Now it's perfect. That's it. Now we make them as one layer. As I said, Control E, and here we are. They're in one layer, they're combined. The thing is, there are different ways to combine them. If you can do it with the Control plus E, that's okay. If not, we're going to open a folder, we add the two layers to them, and here we are. They're in the same folder, then right click on the folder. Then we select Convert to Smart Object, and here we are. Because there are different ways to make two layers in one, to combine two layers together. And now it's an open layer. Now we go here to the eraser tool. We use this brush. We adjust the size. That's it. And now I'm going to apply the same effect to the bed. Like this. Make sure to select the bed layer. And then we keep going like this until we get the result we want. Now we have two layers right here. I'm going to drag the bed a little bit like right here to the left. Now we need to make the two straps move to the left, so I select them and make sure to select that layer, then right click, layer via copy, and as you see it's its own layer, and I drag it like this, and here we are. So thanks for watching. This is the last design of this course. I hope that this course was useful. I hope that you learned the ways and the techniques that helps you to create your own designs. As I said before, in this course I only show you the ways and the techniques to help you reach your peak in designing your own design. It's totally up to you. It depends on your vision and how you see things. So thanks for watching, and if there was anything, feel free to message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible.